Richard Gomez seeing action a little bit later on, of course. Yung kanyang may bahay na si Lucy ay hindi dito para magbigay support, and of course, you know, we'd like to be able to send the shout out and our prayers dun sa kanyang mga kababayan dun sa Ormoc dahil yes.
Oo, sigurado busy si Lucy Torres sa kanyang pagtulong sa kanyang mga kababayan. Sabi nga natin, isang Ormocano na si Ray Evangelista sent us a text message last night na sinabi nga niya, grabe ang damage na dala ni Yolanda sa kanilang lugar. Sa Tacloban, of course sa Ormoc, sa Cebu, maging sa Coron.
Pero yung sinasabi mo nga, when you talk about Tacloban and Ormoc, apparently 100%
yung tama.
Ang tama
sa mga bahay. At majority of those affected, yung mga bubong tinangay talaga. Nakita mo naman, pati yung mga buko kung paano paluin ng hangin na dala ni Yolanda.
And a lot of them were actually uprooted.
Oh yes, and the storm surge, no? Grabe yun, parang tsunami yung naging epekto. At ating mga kababayan na ating handang damayan at any given time. Kung tayo mawawala ng pag-asa.
And our prayers continue to go out to them. At saka marami po mga iba't ibang mga lugar na nag-accept po ng mga donations.
Totoo yan.
You know, all you have to do is just check your local dailies. You can check the internet. At marami po mga nandiyan dyan para tanggapin po yung mga tulong ninyo para sa ating mga kababayan. And right now, itong Cagayan showing the way here so far, all throughout, winning handily the first two sets. At ngayon lamang sila sa ating third, 17-11.
6 points ahead and 8 points away from sweeping the challenge of Petron sa ating unang laro. Dito sa ating second conference, that was a flat serve para kay Misao. At time out muna si Coach Nes Pamilaro dito, Anthony. Kaya gusto yung kanyang nakikita.
Well, I guess you can't help it, pero medyo nagre-relax na talaga yung kanyang mga players at this particular stage.
Manggaling muna sa receive para may maset. Okay? Receive first. Okay, receive. May 6 kayo, 6. Saan ito?
Kaliwete, mas more siya dito. Habo lang to para support ka kayo sa ako. Tara ha, coverage! Nice one, nice service. Oy, Petron!
And again, Coach Nes, not really worried about too much.
Man of few words. Coach Nes so far.
Receive.
Receive. 6 kayo. Kasali si Gallego. Pinahinga mo niya si Jen Reyes.
Sang Muang up the middle. Yan na naman si Cotroang. Nakita mo talaga yung kanyang ginagawa. Sang Muang again. They go to the other side. And that's going to be a point here for Petron.
Nabitin si Aiza Maiso. But I thought that the two blockers were very ready for that defense at the net. Right now, buhay na buhay. Itong Lane Spikers, high-octane fuel. In-inject ni Coach Villet de Leon.
At yun ang kailangan. Kailangan daw patuloy.
And you have a feeling that Shinako has already found her groove. Of course, itong si Shinako Tanaka is a 38-year-old outside hitter. Grabe ang resume nitong si Tanaka. But again, we'll get a break.
That's not really a break that they were looking to give their opponent. Kasi maganda yung kanilang pabulusok dito.
Oo naman. Yun, mahirap pigilan yan eh. Pag yung habol ganito kabilis at ganito.
May hangin po talaga ni Yolanda.
Lagi ko nakikita eh.
Mercado's blocked. They reset their offense.
That set was too far.
Not to mention the fact na handang-handa si Maiso at si Soriano.
Oo. Maski nailusot nila yun, siguradong babalik sa sender. They're able to distance themselves by 5 points. Now on top by 5 at 19-14.
That will say long.
Saan nang galing si Jen Reyes doon?
Ibang klase yung kanyang galaw. Talaga, she's all over. It's gonna go long. Another point here for Cagayan Valley as they're trying to inch closer to notching their first win here this season.
Apologize si Nick Laborte. Tama yung bigay niya pero alanganin yung pwesto. Diyan pumapasok yung familiarity with your teammates at ang isang bagay na inaasahan ng Petron na mas bubuti sa kanila in the coming play dates. Well anticipated by Cotruwang. Misao rejected. Right now, Petron will fall behind by 6, 21-15.
And again, you can see talagang wala pa nga yung chemistry nitong kupunan ng Petron. They're still struggling to find each other's comfort zones.
Volleyball player, understand. But ball must be high and a little near the net. Yeah, because your ball, like, if there's the net, it's going like this. Okay? So, only straight. Okay? Even on the zone 4, outside meter there, ball not like this. Hop, hop. Tara! One good rhythm lang. Habol tayo. Malayo pa yan.
One of the few instances we've actually seen any of our two coaches actually direct something to their reports.
That is also something that you have to build. Communication between coaches and the players. Walang problema sa locals eh. Kasi isang tingin mo lang, alam na nila kung galit ka. Kung ano gusto mo. With it, how sabi mo kay Cotruwang, gano'ng kasipag yan. Ha? Nasa bali na yung bola, hinabol pa. Or rather, nasa Bangkok na yung bola, hinabol pa. Wala pa sa kondisyon yan.
Can you imagine? And she's gonna work herself back into shape.
Oh, gano'ng kabilis?
Sabi niya, when I'm in shape, I can go around now. Hindi na ako lulusot sa ilalim.
Siya na yung magsisave, siya pa yung papalo, ha? This is precisely the reason why the PSL has brought in reinforcements. High caliber reinforcements to raise the excitement level and of course continue to attract the volleyball fans. Iba pag dito mo talaga pinanood live at the San Juan Arena. Ang lulutong eh, no?
That's gonna stay in bounds.
It's an ace coming from a growling Tiger Race, a former UAAP MVP, itong si Aiza Maizo.
Ito na, final timeout ni Coach Villet. This is definitely their last stand.
Tulak mo. Yung mga soft na gano'n, okay? Sud lang sa bola. Sud lang sa bola, yung first ball. Okay, lalo na pag medyo maangat. It's okay, let's go!
Well, I think Coach Villet is also trying to send the message to her players that, look, this is just the first game. Obviously, we don't want to lose, but maaga pa naman yung season.
Totoo yan. At sabi nga niya, iangat nyo yung score. Meaning, lumaban pa rin kayo. They dropped the first set 25-20. Lost set number 2, 25-14. And here in the third set, they are behind by 7 at 23-16. Cagayan Rising Suns only 2 points away from sweeping this first game of the second conference of the PSL. Buhay pa.
Cotruwang, they're apologizing to her fellow Thai. Nandun na si Samwang eh. But again, they can make these kind of mistakes because right now, napakalaki ng kanilang lamang. Benito, who just made her entry.
That's 2 liters of high-octane fuel pumped in by the Blaze Spikers. And as a result, from 23-16, ngayon 23-18, 5 kanilang tangkang habulin.
Well, they'll need a few more leaders to be able to overhaul this lead. And I'm just talking about the third set.
Exactly.
And there's another point.
Morada has always been a tough player. Understanding that anytime you're behind, the more that you should give up, rather the more that you should let out a stronger fight. And that is 3 liters of high-octane fuel. 3 straight points para sa Petron. Rotation error para dito sa Cagayan. This will be 4 straight points para sa Petron.
And the lead has been cut down to 3. And very quickly, bumalik na si Jose para kay Benito. 2 na lang ang kalamangan.
Sang Wang had a bad fall in that last attempt to retrieve.
And right now, she's still feeling the pain.
Oo, parang nakuryente ka niyan eh.
They go outside, Cotruang. And the lead has been cut down to just 1.
Nearing full tank or the Blaze Spikers, and now this is the best fight back we've seen from them in the last 3 sets.
Chance here for them to tie. Cotruang. Wow.
Jen Reyes defending well, but I thought that that last reception and that last dig by Sang Wang was the telling point in that last rally, and that will give them 2 set points, 2 match points here in the third.
Soriano trying to end this.
And she does.
Good serve, and De Los Santos with a finishing touch.
But that after Petron gave them a huge scare as they attempted that chase down here in the third. Nag-relax ang Cagayan. Umapak sa silinyador ang Petron. Nagkarga ng high-octane fuel. It was only 1 point deficit that they were trying to chase. But eventually Cagayan had enough poise to build a 3-set sweep laban dito sa Petron.